Next, we're in Detroit, Michigan, where 29-year-old Dominique Slaughter is scheduled to turn himself in and begin a previously ordered jail sentence. 3 years earlier, Slaughter was arrested and charged with possessing a stolen credit card and carrying a concealed weapon. He pled guilty and was sentenced to 1 year in jail and 18 months probation, plus restitution and fines. Despite failing to report to jail, Judge Kelly Ramsey allowed Slaughter to remain free on probation with a GPS tether while he worked to pay off his restitution and also resolve 6 outstanding warrants he had in other jurisdictions. Today, 14 months after sentencing, Slaughter's scheduled to surrender to the court and start serving his year in jail. But first, Slaughter's probation officer, Brittany Wisser, informs the judge that Slaughter has not exactly been complying with her probation orders.
Mr. Slaughter still has not paid anything towards his fees, costs, or restitution. He has not resolved the 6 pending warrants that he had. He now has an additional 4 warrants as well, which are for driving without a license and for narcotic possession. He failed to appear for sentencing. The tether reports will show that he has multiple shutdowns of his tether, meaning he has failed to charge that tether and it was shut down. There's a total of 11 shutdowns, and then there is a home zone violations as well. There's 21 of those violations. Those are saying that he's not in the home when he was required to be in the home.
But the judge seems more concerned with getting Slaughter to serve his long-delayed jail sentence.
I'm not going to deal with any of this today. This is a surrender date for Mr. Slaughter, and that's what's going to happen. If there is a violation of probation filed or a tether violation filed subsequent to this, then you'll receive notice and we'll hear it.
When the judge mentions his impending jail time, Slaughter becomes distraught, raising his hands and holding his head.
What's upsetting you, Mr. Slaughter? Sheriffs don't like you turning around. Stand still, face me. This is a surrender date. I'm sorry I asked for an update, Mr. Slaughter, if a fraction of what she said is true. No, this is a surrender date, Mr. Slaughter. A surrender date.
I didn't think that I'd get locked up because the work was done. That's why I thought I was going to get continued. That's why I even went to work today, Ms. Randy.
Objection to work release if work release is offered, Mr. Slaughter. If it is offered, it is not offered. It doesn't exist anymore. This was a plea, not a trial, a plea. I'm not relitigating where we are.
I get my direct deposit tomorrow. I just wanted to make sure that my wife and them were straight as it.
You knew that it was today. The direct deposit is going to be there tomorrow.
I just wanted one day to take it. Please.
Your wife, doesn't she have access to your bank account?
No, she don't. No, she don't. My wife got a spending problem, so I keep all my money to her. That's all I'm.
What are you going to do for the next 11 months in the Wayne County Jail?
She's going to have to figure it out.
Well, then she had to figure it out before today. Today's the surrender date, Mr. Slaughter.
Judge Ramsey's had enough and is ready to move on. But Slaughter continues to plead for more time.
Just till a morning, just till morning, I still got to tell her.
This is disingenuous, Mr. Slaughter. You can't ask me for any more time. I've been as generous gets. Mr. Slaughter, you see the 3 pages of people who need to see me today. 3
Yes, I need everything just tonight, Miss Ramsey, please. I would turn myself in the morning. I would come straight down.
Come on now, Mr. Slaughter. Today is the day. How many creases do you get out of me?
I'm just asking for a few hours, please. Just a few hours. Just to say bye to my family and everything.
That was last night.
Miss Ramsey.
You're at the end of probation. You gotta serve this time.
Oh, I'm sick.
Go with my sheriff. Come on. Come on now. Breaking the law has its consequences.
Slaughter is now serving his year in jail. When released, he'll still need to complete 4 more months of probation. Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.